Well, let's FOIL. That's going to give you 4x. When you multiply the same two square roots together, you get what's underneath the radical. So that's 4x plus the square root of 36x squared plus the square root of 36x squared. That was this one times this one. And then this one times this one is 9x. So you're left with 4x plus 6x plus 6x plus 9x. So you're left with 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Plus 9 is 25x. Now the other way to work this problem, if you know the shortcut for squaring a binomial, what you do first is you square your first term. If you square that, you're left with 4x plus. You multiply these two terms together, and then always multiply that by 2. You double it. So that's going to 4x, square root of 4x times square root of 9x is the square root of 36x squared, which is 6x. Now double that and you get 12x. And then square your last term, it gives you 9x. So that gives you 16 plus 9 is 25x. So whichever way you want to work it.